Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on spoken content here. Then you come to next step here, click here on chipping feedback, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, you come here to speak auto text, click in this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone, that means speak auto text disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.